Hello everyone, if you want to grind whole spices or make whole wheat flour at home, then this video will be very beneficial to you. But before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell so you get the update first. So I ordered this electric grain mill grinder, and out of the box there is a manual and power cord and some extra parts and tools. And this is the food grade stainless steel mill grinder, and let's put it to the test. So here I have some whole turmeric and I'm going to see if it grinds this. So for the spices it only takes about 30 seconds because it has a powerful 2800 watt motor and it claims to grind fine powder in 30 seconds. So let's see. So as you can see, it has grinded the turmeric very fine and I can see it's perfect. So all you need to do is just sieve this through the sieve that it's provided, and your turmeric powder is ready. So you can ensure that you have the pure spices at home. So after sieving, I get the pure fine turmeric powder, and you can enjoy the purest form of the spices at home. So I'm going to store it into the glass jar and we're ready to spice it up. Now let's make the whole wheat flour. So here I have some whole wheat berries and we're going to pour it in. And grind it for about 30 seconds. And you can also tilt this back and forth to mix the flour while it's grinding. So the flour is ready. As you can see the texture, it has grinded very fine powder. And I'm just going to tilt this to put it into the sieve and then sieve it for more fine powder. And this way you can make any flour or any spices at home. It is a perfect way to enjoy pure spices, and I have the link in the description box if you like to purchase this item, and I highly recommend for every kitchen. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.